Digital marketing has become a prominent field with numerous opportunities. In essence, it's about harnessing the internet and digital technology to market products or services. It involves engagement with potential customers via online platforms. Channels used include search engines, which display ads based on user queries. Websites exhibit products, while social media platforms enable content sharing to a wider audience. Emails allow for personalized marketing. Mobile applications provide easy access to offerings. It involves promoting products or services through channels like search engines, websites, social media, emails, and mobile applications. Types of digital marketing include content marketing, search engine optimization, SEO, pay-per-click, PPC, social media marketing, email marketing, and affiliate marketing. Content marketing targets and retains visitors by offering engaging content. SEO improves website visibility on search engines. PPC is a cost-effective advertising model. Social media marketing capitalizes on the popularity of social platforms. Email marketing employs promotional emails. Lastly, affiliate marketing rewards affiliates for marketing another's products. Content marketing involves creating blogs, videos, infographics, and case studies to engage a general audience. This method captivates attention in the digital world. The process starts with insightful blogs offering valuable insights. It involves developing impactful videos to entertain and educate. Infographics simplify complex data, making it digestible. Case studies provide a deep dive into real-world experiences, offering critical insights. All these elements combined shape a comprehensive content marketing strategy designed to attract, engage, and retain a larger audience. Search engine optimization, also known as SEO, optimizes websites using specific search keywords to increase their visibility and reach. It's vital in digital marketing as it makes websites appealing to search engines, consequently improving their ranking. The more attractive a site is to search engines, the higher its ranking. SEO is instrumental in enhancing a website's standing in search engine results. It's a tool that can't be ignored in the digital era. Pay-per-click, or PPC, as it's popularly known, employs the method of paid advertising on search engines. It's an innovative strategy that leverages digital tools for increased visibility. PPC fuses different elements like graphics, images, and videos to create engaging content. This modern approach deviates from traditional advertising, offering a fresh perspective. It merges creativity and technology, making it a potent marketing tool. It is a powerful tool to reach out to a diverse and large audience. Social media marketing utilizes platforms like LinkedIn, YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram to promote products or services with text, images, and videos. It's a strategy exploited by big and small companies alike. It aims to target specific audiences, disseminate visually engaging messages, and stimulate consumer interaction. Tactics include sharing vivid product images, showcasing use via top-notch videos, and fostering enriching consumer conversations. It's about creating buzz, driving traffic, enhancing brand visibility, and skyrocketing sales. Social media marketing promotes products or services with text, images, and videos. Email marketing involves sending emails to potential customers. It's much more than a generic message to multiple email addresses. The strategy is about creating a bond with potential clients through relevant, personalized, and compelling content. It requires careful planning of the content, timing, and frequency of emails. The main goal is to guide customers along their buying journey, resolving their doubts and providing valuable information. It aids in building trust, fostering customer loyalty, and boosting sales conversions. Nurturing them through the buying process is the main goal of email marketing. Affiliate marketing, a groundbreaking business model, relies on strategic partnerships to endorse, promote, and sell products or services indirectly. This unique approach isn't centered around direct selling, but rather indirect promotion through emails, newsletters, or website registrations. It involves influential marketers with a broad audience reach, allowing greater market exposure. Audience members sign up or register through emails or website registrations, providing access to these products or services. With each registration, marketers earn a commission, benefiting all parties. However, the heart of affiliate marketing lies in the power of these partnerships to promote products or services. The video suggests gaining certification and skills in digital marketing to enhance career opportunities. It's essential to stay updated in today's tech-driven world. Digital marketing is dynamic and constantly evolving. Certification could be your key to exciting opportunities, potentially catapulting you to professional success. The video is more than informative. It's a guide to navigating your future. We cover topics like SEO, email marketing, and social media marketing with content designed to reflect current trends. If you want to stay ahead, subscribe. It encourages viewers to subscribe for more information on the latest technologies and tips in digital marketing.